So today we're going to look at Arkestro's Predictive Procurement Orchestration platform. And Predictive Procurement Orchestration really manifests in two different ways. First is proactive recommendations, and the second is embedded recommendations. Proactive recommendations are alerts and recommendations delivered via email to category managers, VPs of procurement, supply chain leaders, so that they never miss another opportunity and so that they never have to spend time digging for those opportunities. And those are recommendations based on the customer's data, enriched with external data that is part of the Arkestro platform. Embedded recommendations are recommendations and insights delivered in real time in the systems and tools that users work in and day out, whether that's a P2P system like Coupa, an ERP system like S/4HANA, or any number of other procurement and supply chain tools to act as procurement's eyes and ears, and in some cases, hands on transactions so that every single dollar that goes out the door looks as though it was given all the love, care, and attention from your best procurement people, even though in reality, you would never have the time, bandwidth, and headcount to support that level of micromanagement.